Hello friends, I'm Adinath Giri from GIRI'S Tech Hub Pune. I would like to share the course content detail about the .NET Full Stack Developer. Friends, we designed this course under the guidance of our hiring partner as well as under the guidance of our alumni. Those are working as a .NET Full Stack Developer from last 7 years in IT industries. But friends, as a fresher, before joining a full stack development course, you should have to know the some important point like as what is a full stack developer, which area you get a job, course content detail, training and a placement plan. So friends, we have a first question. What is a full stack developer? We can say full stack developers are the experts in a both front end and back end technology. Also, they have a good knowledge of servers and much more friends. But if you think about a .NET full stack developer, so .NET full stack developer should have a good in C Sharp, ADO.NET, ASP.NET, MVC, Web API, etc. As well as they should have a good knowledge about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Angular, web services, and database. So, friends, these are the some core area where .NET full stack developer can work. After completing this course, you can join as a .NET developer, UI developer, SQL and a PLSQL developer, and a .NET full stack developer. So friends, these are the four positions where you can apply after completing this course, and the standard salary for this position is a 3.0. But friends, as per my experience, salaries depend on a company. Some companies are providing a 4.0, 4.5, 5.5. Some of them give a 2.4, 1.8 also. It's depend on a company and your skill sets also. That is very more important part here. So how we teach? We teach this course a module by module, and we design the module as per the need of industry. Means if any industry want to hire the developer, first of all, industry find candidate should have a good in a logical development as well as candidate should have a ability to understand the algorithms and write the algorithm practically or implement the algorithm practically. So according to this need of industry, we have one module, logical development. So friends, in this module, we try to implement or we try to give some guideline how to develop the logic and coding. For that, we teach you a pattern development, a string algorithms, array algorithms, recursive algorithm. If candidate from a non-IT background, so we'll start their training from a C language. Suppose some of the electronics engineers, mechanical engineers, civil engineers, and they want to be right career in IT industry. So we'll start their training from a C language. So suppose some of the CSC students also interested from a C language training, so we can provide a training from a C language. So friends, also in this model we'll provide a 7 days SQL training, right? So as well as we'll give a programming tricks by a tech hub alumni and industry experts also. So this is the basic model, friends. So we have one more model, .NET development. This is your core area. So in this model, we'll teach you object-oriented programming and a C Sharp, ADO.NET, ASP.NET, MVC, Web API, WPF, WCF, and entity frameworks. These are the some topics or these are the some technology we will cover in this model. Also, friends, we provide a guideline for a mock interviews for a .NET, how to crack a .NET interviews by some of the tech hub alumni as well as our associated industry experts. Okay, so friends, we have one more module, a UI development. In this module, we'll teach you HTML, CSS, and a Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, Angular also. And in this module, also we'll provide us some guideline how to crack a UI interviews and give us some template for design, right? Then we have one more model, general aptitude preparation. Why, friend, this model is very more important in a placements? Because if you want to place in IT industries, first of all, you should have to crack a first round, that is aptitude round. So that in this round, companies normally asking a general aptitude, technical aptitude. So we'll provide a training on a quantitative aptitude also and technical aptitude also. Means in technical aptitude, normally companies are asking on MCQ questions, so C, SQL, data structure. So we'll provide a complete training for a technical aptitude and quantitative aptitude also. GD preparation and HR preparation also. So this These 4 points help you in a first round. Okay, these are some modules in a full stack development. So friends, we have a training plan and placement plans also. How we give a training, right? So first of all, from Monday to Friday, 2 hours theory, I mean minimum 2 hours practical compulsory. Means practical hour minimum two is there. Okay, if candidate want to be right more practicals in lab, so we allow them. Okay, but our side 2 hours is in a compulsory for a practicals, 2 hour compulsory for a theory. Okay, on Saturday, on every Saturday we will organize the online test on a quantitative aptitude, technical aptitude, programming, and every alternate Saturday we also arrange the mock interview by tech alumni as well as industry experts. Okay, when we start your placement, so friends, once candidate good in writing basic code and OOP concepts and database concepts will start their placement. That is after 40 days, means after 1 month and 10 days also. But friends, if you want to be a placement call from day one for from our sides, so we provide a one test to you on a basic programming. If you are good in a basic programming from your college background, so we can start your placement call from day one of a course joining. Okay, and workshops. So we'll organize a 7 day quantitative aptitude training daily, 5 hours in there. It is a 7 days quantitative aptitude training we'll provide. So friends, if you want to more about the course duration, fees of the course, placement strategies, our clients, starting packages, etc. So you can contact us on these mobile numbers, as well as this is a mail ID where you can send a mail if you have any query. And if you want to verify our placement history, so visit our portal techhubindia.org. Okay, so we can click on the placement tab, so you'll get a complete idea how we place our previous students and in which companies. That is very more important. Also, we have an Android application on a Play Store, that is a GIRI'S Tech Hub. So you can download the application. We can click on a success stories tab, so we get a complete idea of our placements. If you want to if you want to see the reviews of a teaching methodology, and then you can visit our Facebook page. The name of our page is Giri's Tech Hub. We can also see our reviews from a Google, as well as we can see our reviews from a Just Die and much more. Okay, so friends, if you have any query in this course content, and if you want to know more information about the course, so you can contact, okay, on this number. Definitely we'll provide some support to you. Okay, thank you.